Hello, my name is Julie Gomez. The number of my group is 90021 Happy for on Ritual. Take a spectacular one in New York vacation. I have a wonderful experience at sea. I have been in the beautiful municipality of Arboletes with my husband and some friends. I had not visited the sea for a long time. I have enjoyed just the beach and the gastronomy. I have gone to two Mount Volcano, and I visited here. I have passed through its emblematic place. I have also been in Ecoclé, enjoyed the spectacular farm, and on the way back, I had bought typical sweets and crafts Polymer relatives. Spectacular.